Apple just made it clear what you are getting in the Watch Ultra. Simply everything you wanted in your past watch series with some extra features. You might be thinking of Watch Ultra will be heavy with the 49mm dial, but it is not the case with the Watch Ultra. It is a lighter watch which you can wear for a longer time. Thinking about how big this watch weighs, Apple tried to manage the battery life, which claims to have 36 hours and can go up to 60 hours on low power mode, which Apple just introduced with the Watch Ultra. If you're a fan of edge design, then this could not be a best fit for you since Apple just came with a flat display on the Watch Ultra. By doing this, your Watch Ultra gets more durable along with the titanium build. This is tougher than any other Apple Watch you ever have. With the new features, oh boy, this is perfect, but there's something everyone should know about, and that is how expensive this watch is. Now, starting price for this beast is $799, which is nearly the price of iPhone 14 base model. Do you guys know that after a very long time, Apple just gave an additional button to the Apple Watch Ultra, which will be called as Action Button. Now you can customize this button to do whatever you wanted. The display on the Watch Ultra is one of the brightest display ever, going at 2000 nits peak brightness, matching the peak brightness of iPhone 14 Pro Max, but at night it has a night mode, which turns everything red to comfort your eyes while using at night. There are a couple of useful features in the Watch Ultra, and one among them is crash detection, which will automatically inform the authorities whenever you get into that type of situation. Hope everyone should be safe and will never use this feature. The Watch Ultra comes with a multi-band GPS, so tracking your route on this watch will be accurate enough, and this also comes with a trackback feature, which is very helpful when you lost the route. The most awaited feature of Watch Ultra is its new body temperature sensor. Well, it is there, but it will primarily use for women to detect their cycles, which is very helpful and also improving the sleep patterns. But if you are thinking of checking the fever, then it is not there. But according to some rumors, we might get this feature later with the update where Watch Ultra can detect whether you have a fever or not. If you like swimming, then this is a perfect fit for you. Also helpful for divers because it can give you a couple of new features along with your swimming, and having a capability to go about 40 meters deep. This watch is meant for athletic people, but if you need a bigger Apple Watch with the best battery life so far, then you can go for this. And if you're wondering what type of features iPhone 14 Pro Max have, then you can watch this video. You guys will be surprised to know about these new features. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.